Hi everyone, Sharon here with Mac Senior. So here's another bird watching trip with Ben and the girls. We do invite men to come with us, but usually it's just Ben and the girls. I'm not sure what they saw in this tree, but I'm always trying to find in my viewfinder on my camera whatever it is they're going, oh look! And I rarely can find it. But that's okay. I was able to find these ducks, and I think they're the mallards. Although I have to admit, without Ben sitting next to me, identifying the birds that I see on my camera, I'm not sure what they are. I have to wait until he sends out the list of birds that we saw on the trip, and then I go to the internet and find those birds. So, but I had never been to Lake Temescal, and it's really beautiful, even in the winter. And I know that, doesn't this look like Sherwood Forest or something? It was just really wonderful out there that day, although it was cold, very cold and sometimes windy, but it was worth it. And I was going to say, I think this green scum that's on some of the water goes away in the summer, because I know people swim in this lake. And I think this interesting looking bird is the black-crowned night heron. Very interesting looking bird. I thought all herons, were tall and big birds, but this one and the green heron that we saw were short, squat birds. See how small he looks? Very interesting looking birds, though. I'm not sure what that is, but this young man had just caught himself a trout. More of this medieval looking forest. And my group is always getting ahead of me, but that's all right. I know I can trust Ben to send me an email with the names of all the birds they saw, because I just can't see them usually in my viewfinder. But it's really a beautiful place, very well kept. They have great benches that you could just come sit, look at the water. It's a very peaceful place to be. Nice rock formations too. Now, I'm not sure what that guy is. My camera was zoomed in as close as I could get. If I had Ben here next to me, he'd be able to tell you in a heartbeat. But I'm just not that good yet. But look at that tree with that hole in it. I thought that was interesting. And here's some of the really nice tables that they have there. And they have barbecue pits where you could, have a picnic. And I'm not sure what these are either. I think they might be little white-crested sparrows, but I'm not sure. A lot of people fishing that day, though. This is a nice bench that they built in the hill, and there goes Ben. He always has his bird book in his back pocket. And then I guess at one time there was this waterfall, and here's this bevy of beauties. But at any rate, they restored it, and here it is now. Now this is where the wood ducks were hanging out, and my camera is as close as it could get, but I do believe that especially that one up in the right hand corner was a wood duck. But they were just beautiful, beautiful birds. So colorful. You'll see a larger picture of one later. And this cute little squirrel was just busy, 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 working away. And these are the wood ducks. They look like they have a helmet on their head. They're very cool birds. Oh, and here's another, I guess, one of those herons. They're odd, and I can't really tell if this is the night heron or the green heron. I think this is the night heron. But they don't move much. I wanted to flap his wings or something, but they're very intense birds. Here he's moving just a little bit. And here's the cedar waxwings that we saw, and they were the last birds basically that we identified on this trip. So now here are some of the wonderful birds we saw and the sounds they make. So thanks for coming with us, and you might want to come the next time. Ben takes the girls out every Wednesday, and men are certainly welcome too. Thanks for being with me. Bye-bye. For more information about Ben's birdwatching group and all of the other wonderful services the Lafayette Community Center offers, please visit their site.